Hooligan also has analytics built in a very simple and private way. So let me demonstrate it. If a user clicks through the settings, you can see here, for example, that support is now triggered. If they open a specific support item, the ID of the item gets triggered as well, which gives you some basic information about how people are using your app. So this works with a very simple online website called accountapi.xyz. Which is a free service you can use to just iterate and increment numbers up. And this is really good for this because we don't get any information about the user. All we get is a +1 on the endpoints that we've determined. So basically what you need to do is you need to change the URL to whatever you want. So your app's name, and from there it should automatically work. In this case, whenever support or when open support is triggered throughout the app, the analytics events are sent. And you can check where they are triggered by searching for counter in your project. So as you can see here on the support item detail page, whenever that gets opened, we trigger the open support, and whenever just the basic support page gets triggered, we trigger the support event. You can add more if you want. You can also add information about user's device, and the nice thing is you can then, so let's say we're using this now, and we browse through the app a little bit, and now in order to get the actual numbers, you can see here, for example, that support has been triggered 3 times. Let's trigger it a few more times, reload the page, and there you go. Same goes for the open support. So open support ID 0 gets triggered 3 times, 5 times. So this allows you to really quickly see which questions are most frequently visited and viewed by users, which gives you suggestions on what you should add or what you should improve.